at NAB 2018 at the Epiphan booth. Thank you for joining us. And here at NAB, we're very excited to introduce for the first time Pearl Mini. So Pearl Mini is the baby brother to our flagship product, the Pearl 2. And the first difference you're going to notice is that this has a nice big touchscreen. You can do all of your switching, streaming start and stop, record start and stop. So this is an all-in-one switching, streaming, and recording device. If we look around the back, see some inputs. We've got 2 HDMI and 1 SDI input for your cameras. You also have XLR inputs with TRS combo jacks, balanced audio, including 48-volt phantom power. So if you want to plug a microphone directly into this box, you're all set to go. It records right here onto an SD card, so you've got removable storage. You can also offload your files using USB. There's a headphone jack for monitoring and operation. So this is really a great device for small events, maybe with 1 or 2 cameras, lecture capture. If you want to run one camera in with your presentation in a picture-in-picture, this is going to be a perfect device for that. So we will be, we're launching it here at NAB 2018, so check with your local distributor.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.